What's the biggest health risks you see in attics, and how do you protect yourself and the homeowner?
The biggest safety risk is the feces. Um, Whether it's bats or raccoons or a heavily soiled rodent population. So whenever we do a attic clean out, we wear our full PPE, masks, respirators, eye protection. Um, I know a lot of companies, whenever they're sucking the insulation out, they'll run the hose through the house. And those hoses are not airproof, so you will get dust particles in the air. So we try to go through soffits where we can, or take a vent off the roof and go literally through the roof into the attic. That's our biggest precautions, is because all of that is airborne viruses, and you start running a big vacuum that's moving a lot of air, you're increasing the chances of that, you know 10, 20, 50 fold. So we try to avoid even running hosing into, if it is unavoidable, we plastic off the hallway or the the pathway of that hose from the rest of the house. So we'll put up plastic walls and on the floor as well to keep all of that contained.